Hello, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a Mercedes Sprinter in the workshop. Let's have a look. So this has come in for these items today. We've got the KENWOOD DMX9720XDS. That's a touchscreen tablet head unit. We've got the HD camera and the DRV N520 dash camera. Let's have a look at them. So here is the head unit installed. So it's a nice tablet touchscreen head unit. You've got wireless, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So I have my phone hooked up now. That gives you access to Google Maps. You've also got music streaming apps, so Spotify, YouTube Music, Amazon Music, etc. You've got your parking, your WhatsApp. That's that one there. So we've obviously got the reverse camera as well. Let's have a look at that one. There it is there on the screen, the reversing camera. We've also got the dash camera. There's that one there. I'll just give that a quick tweak. As you can see, there it is there. That is the dash camera. This unit also has DAB stereo, normal FM, and it also has FM, Bluetooth hands-free and audio streaming. There we go.